Good afternoon and welcome to Park Superior Sales. Behind me is a 2016 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, four-way purple strobes, 39,000 original miles, black with a silver stripe, some polished Cadillac 18-inch wheels, a black tuxedo top, and a beautiful crown band here. Fully outfitted on the inside here with a burl-style floor in a titanium interior with matching titanium drapes. Has that flip-up church truck lid. Gives you that flexibility to store your church truck horizontally or stand it up vertically. And you do have some area down below for umbrella storage underneath the partition wall, which we're all pretty much used to at this point. In the back here, you have a built-in urn carrier. It's actually a powered style urn carrier, and I'll show you that in a second. So your urn and your flower cups can sit down below. You have a snap-on style bumper carpet here, protects that rear bumper. And then you have your traditional casketed floor. The neat part about this, sneak under here and you can hold the button down and it works nice and easy. So that pops that urn door right back down, nice and simple operation, and you're set right back up for a traditional casketed funeral. Quick adjust beer pin store on your far right, and you have twin pin plates at the front at the partition wall to secure that casket in. Now 3 lights down the center of the roof, and then you have some LED lights on both shadow boxes on the left and right. Folding this bumper carpet back up, you do get a backup camera on this 16 here with the rear backup light. And then you have a full fiberglass rear load door with rear load door stainless, which is another upgrade package, along with both your number 2 doors are fully fiberglass and your rear coach body. So no chance of corrosion or rust is probably the best part about a Platinum Coach built car. Full-size spare tire down below, jack and toolkit located in there as well, with a matching flip-up lid to mirror the church truck compartment, just in case you like symmetry. Now that flip-up lid on this side does allow you to get that full-size spare tire out much easier than a closed-off lid, so I do tend to like that as an option. Now black leather interior in here, power seats, power column as well, remote start, keyless entry, so the fob always stays in your pocket. That way it can never be locked in the car. AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, and Bluetooth. Now this car does come with a backup camera, and it is the first year to have Apple CarPlay integrated into a Cadillac Hearse, so you get all the bells and whistles of a modern car. Now once again, 39,000 miles in this 2016 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, 4-way purple strobes in the front grille with that built-in urn carrier and a bumper carpet in the back. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this, and if you do have a trade, I would love to take it in. Always need pre-owned cars in our inventory. Talk to you in the next one.